Well, we have a lot of client-facing roles at Colliers who are somewhere involved in making presentations. So we really wanted to empower them to make the best of the presentation and really have compelling, impactful presentation. So that's why we put it on the learning agenda. As you know, the people lead for Colliers Belgium, and it's really part of my job to make sure that our employees have the necessary tools to be successful at their job.
I think the workshop was really insightful. What I liked the most was that it was really practical. It was not a theoretical lecture. After the workshop, we could really start right away to improve our presentations.
Well, it was brilliantly delivered. Melanie brought so much energy. I could really see the audience being captivated from start till end.
I think it was really Melanie's energy. She was really, I think, the perfect guide and teacher for us to learn about all these tips, because she had so much anecdotes and really good examples, real life examples, and it was really striking, and she was really able to convey the message.
The resources that were handed over after the training as a follow-up, I'm talking about the checklist, the one-pager, very practical, easy to use afterwards.
So I'm responsible for marketing and communication at Colliers Belgium. I spend a lot of time to oversee all client-facing presentations, such as pitches, offers, and so on. So receiving the top 10 tips checklist really helped me save a lot of time and save the teams a lot of time as well, to really make sure that they go all through those tips before sending the presentations ready to the clients or presenting. And so for me, it's really a huge plus. What I was really interested to see is that now, after the workshop, I've seen that my colleagues, the teams, really are not so much frightened anymore to start building a pitch. I think that now they have the structure in mind, how to start, what they need to pay attention to, and really that's a really huge impact, really huge difference that I've seen.
Well, first of all, we really received overwhelmingly positive feedback, so that's what we're always aiming when we organize an internal training. Also, already started using the tips and tricks immediately. I can see that for internal presentations, my colleagues are doing this as well. And so that's exactly what you're looking for. It's really an investment, but you have a return on investment immediately as of day one. It's really been a mindset shift as well for a lot of colleagues, realizing that the visual support is equally important as the message, and that you have to put sometimes an equal amount of time in preparing your presentation and preparing your pitch.
Definitely. I would definitely recommend this workshop to anyone, any team, any company who would like to be able to convey more compelling messages, building more beautiful presentations. I think for all those kind of people, it would be very useful.
Oh yes, absolutely.